Jingduna hai dkhot met kam dei ban long jing khanglad ti ban poi shakathong kaba kum ki breu ngidon ban kanjo ban ai man sim su ban penslo ri ba dunat dkhot met laga dei ha ka boryo snow bat ki wei ka Meghalaya Progressive Special Educators Union ha ka jing trailang bat ka Directorate of School Education Literacy and Samagra Shiksha kila panlong ya ka jing pynkup burom ya ki ba dunat dkhot met ki bala pendep ya ka jing pulie ha ka SSLC bat kum juru ha ka HSSLC haba kren hekani kasngi na kaliang umatri ka na social welfare ba polang do upan pau jing skopman ban yoi ba kat badang mi kisngi ki samla pulie warla ki duna hakit khotmet hanrai ki pendep ki jing pulie ki ba kham sajrong ula ongro ba kani ki jing pynkup burom ba kerpang ya kini ki samla kan ai man sim su yaki bakin nang tresitam bat ban kanjo sha ki weipat ki thong gi ba kum ki breu ki dan ula ongro ba kajala kala kiu shakman ha be dei ber jing ai jing kershan ya kini ki parlok ki baduna ha ka bormet bor phat jonggi
ibajanai thaba nang kharbani pynkup kharbani wandan ba migitho yatho December completion of SSLC Amachisa S Marak one simple number
would like to convey my best wishes and warm regards to all the organizers of this beautiful program. Today, as we come here to celebrate this remarkable achievement of our dear students with special educational needs, who have not only faced the challenges but have also been able to overcome all these challenges and have come out triumphant in their board examinations. This is indeed a testament to their unwavering determination, their hard work, and the support that they have received from their teachers, from the parents, friends, and society. Dear students, your success is an inspiration to every one of us. You have shown that you can shine in spite of the obstacles that you have to encounter in life. I would like to make a special mention of Shri Shanskem Kharsawian, who has just expressed the challenges that he had to encounter, but in spite of that, he has overcome and he is the man he is today. I am so proud of you, Shanskem Kharsawian. May God continue to bless you as you proceed your steps from now onwards in the days and in the years to come. And may Shanskem Kharsawian be an example to each and every one of you who are yet to traverse this journey of life. Now, the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan is an integrated scheme for school education which was launched long back in 2001-2002 in partnership with the state government and local self-governments. And this scheme is a comprehensive and integrated flagship program of the government of India to attain universal elementary education covering the entire country in a mission mode. Now, SSA has also initiated the program of educating children with educational needs. Under the intervention of the Ministry of Education, it has made special provision to provide assistance to students with educational needs enrolled in government and government-aided schools. Identified students with special needs enrolled in such schools, the annual work plan and budget to take up different activities under inclusive education with a budget proposal of 3,500 according to the number of students with special needs as per UDIs and under the government schools and government-aided schools. As of now, we have 88 BRPs on IE appointed in different block levels covering the school, enrolling the children with special educational needs at the elementary level, and the special educators, there are 17 of them who have worked so hard, who have paved the way for all these children who can overcome through their help. So, in addition to these personnel, the BRPs as well as the special educators, we also have the soldiers who are in the field, that is the IEs, IE volunteers. There are 48 of them, and their main task is to identify and to survey the newly CWSN within the village and the cluster. Now, the special educators form a very important role in imparting home-based support to the students' educational need, especially during the winter breaks. They would go to the homes of such children and help them with the resource support while preparing for their board examinations. Kudos to you, special educators. At present, there are about 84 number of secondary and higher secondary school that has enrolled CWSN in government and government-aided schools in the state of Meghalaya. This year, 2024-25, we have been able to identify 6,284 students with special educational needs, and sad to say that there are only 123 students who are enrolled in the secondary level. So I feel as a department, as special educators, we have to work together in order to encourage the students who have passed out the elementary level so that they can join the mainstream course and also be eligible to study, to move a step further and complete their board examinations. The core principle of IE are to ensure that besides imparting education, equality, respect should be given to each individual irrespective of their differences. The tailored support, that is the special teaching methods that is given to them, will meet the unique needs of these students, and along with the collaborative effort made by the teachers, parents, specialists, community, we will be able to create a supporting learning environment to all these students who are in need of special education.
Talk to Miss Aisa. Miss Aisa is the new principal, I suppose, of this school, Jyotiswar School. When I was there to help whatever I could. I wish everybody will have a well-to-do life if possible. I always had time to study. I just wish that I would learn how to build up my physical strength. Thus, I always wanted to learn how Kung Fu is done. When I learn how to do karate to defend myself, I will always be able to use the same knowledge to teach people and others how to do karate. Thank you. Thank you.
From class 9 to the secondary and higher secondary students. I would like to highlight this, that under the centrally sponsored scheme SSA CMAM Meghalaya IEDSS, we special educators joined in 2017, posted in all districts of Meghalaya with a strength of 17. Inclusive education intervention is primarily a support services provided in all government and non-government schools with enrolled students with disabilities. Without proper intervention, our students are at risk of dropping out. We raise awareness among all stakeholders of the education system, including parents, school heads, regular teachers, and non-disabled students, to help create an environment where learning experience are provided to all students to grow and learn together. I'm reading at a slow rate so that the interpreter can also interpret to the hearing impaired students. Inclusive education teaching strategies modifies and modification and curriculum adaptation improve the overall qualities of teaching with active participation from all learners. This approach adopts a need-based strategy for educable and trainable students, where trainable students are given functional literacy and survival skills.
Felicitation program a grand success. I believe you can Jingduna the Gatchok Association Jopi Star well Kajana Wilayo Banya Slok Habud Butsir Kei Kapa Nilai Yudab Banya Slok Ban exchange ya Kijing Sopo Kejungi Aku apa namipi ke jela jungi ke jela Meghalaya kelajam syahmat hawi di bud we paki jela haka jingi dei bat ke jing kersyang ke jing arab ya kiparlok dan ki Jingduna hagi dekat met ku papi hi dian mentan ke jing kersyang ke bani ai limba ke Department of Social Welfare, ke Department of Health, ke Department of Education, kini ke Department Baru. Pergi berburu ke jing jom ke yok ke kot, jom ke jela ke jungi, bila persyang dan ai ya ke babahatang. Bawa kita ke jing ong kamdan. The biggest room in this world is the room for improvement, self-improvement. Teniru ia persyang ban ia pendap ia kata ke kamera ke bagi Jingduna kam bagi challenge kilong ki babur bat kelat kelenti ban pendap kilong ki peduna. Jenrai so kemenru bani tu reng jopi hani bahasian ke baningkong kum ke Department of Tourism Gelmi Syahmat ban pensyur ya isamla ki jongi kum bangi imene samla mirban nilai yaki mentaka space bagi dia ban yashim menta ha ke program ke jongi Meghalaya Grassroots Music Production MGMP bat ki babun ki kenuhun ki yo ngata ban yo ekarasan ki dem ki put ki dwai ki siau ki i sap ko pong joki bat kumju ilas dangru ban ai ya ki di musical instrument ya ba Honorable Chief Minister dang dep ban le ekata dang apayo aswa jo ki ski ti ki challenge jolong ki babun andai ni na kalian jong sorkar ni sautu pa itu pa ya ke jing don kam ba ngin ai ke jing kersian kat ka bagila ya ke ba ki jela ba ha ke thai chde lam mingi ki dang sham jing e ba kin ai ke jing kersian ke ba kum mangi la la pan ai kalau berdon kam bangin buat jimut hani ya kawai kat kentin bat kata belum bah pedeng jong ke Jingduna jong ki dkhot met la kalong harian ke jing yoi la kalong habor yo snow la kalong habor perkat la kalong habor ban keren andre ke don ke kentin ke boong baki maji the sailors, the best sailors in the world, have always come from the stormiest of seas. Kimaji berteduk apa hai kedai himawan nagi duriau kibat jurdo ki area. Menengan UI yang sama ubat dem yang sing dekat ke Jingduna jom kawai dikti jom. Mau lagi bahwa ipai sekian jom ini real crowd ke Helen kira ke dewi kepala kaya ka ringkat kejing bamla banyu snow gamla banyu i kalau bermatla dan dari kepoi hendak uput bahkan yo ya ke Nobel Prize. Kalau long group kenong thok kepala challenge wat ya ke sorkar Amerika liba kijing ki excite juga dan benda kohop joki kentai tinggi pai sya Beethoven manu balapan mundur buni udai kena balaha ubala duna kabori snow nado udon Arsenal kerta andai ki classical composition John Beethoven ki im hadu mentara seni bat kin im kat ba ke civilization kat andon dengan kita tahu ai nomong ki badu mensim ai nomong kepadon kam du kalau yeni kam tam ki perlok ki ba biang lut ki dkhot met bangin semutu ya kini gue bakadei ke kamram ke moral responsibility jogi banterwa ya ke jing kersian ke jing arab ke compassion bunangi kibadon para ahli hikmat ki pangila dan yoni dan ke vision Nyo snow tambang yung snow ila man perkat Andre kita kijing perkat yung panlongkam cikata gade KA kawa na snow gadi banyak sama teng copiang ni bagi danru kani ke moral responsibility ban shim ba gilalong kepala kulpa bat kadai yangi ban reach out ban kner yaki kti jong ke jing kersha sha ki perlok ki badan ki Jingduna ha dkhot met gila kwa ban increase ya ke Jingdon kam jong special educators and they don't come to iki bakin long well qualified sure bakin shim ya to come but kadi way naki challenge ki bangi kendo den dengan orang ini kadang kekentir kebang where a small mind sees problems, a big mind sees opportunities. Ni bagi ni kita opportunity bagi nang pembahal kecing terekam kecongi nginang penjenai ya kecing syatri ke bang niai kenang bagi penting kena ba kitu kibadon ki Jingduna aki dekat mat kin am snow ba ki im apa yang ke Jingduna andai la ai ki hijau kilat kilenti ba ke ai ke babla job mendarasi ban yo ai ke burom ban yo ai ke fill station kapani ya kata bagi om the resilience of the human spirit kecing climb board jong ka MPSEU jong brio lara sana ulang pentem boro artli ikti kawe kewala duna kapani ya kecing climb jong ka MPSEU jong brio lada unong tho jiroai ubom yoi ubom yosno gula ban mi ban long way na kinawra katbit tam patay Stevie Wonders nam atatin kita bun Stevie Wonders baki Helen kila happening jong kajan untuk podcast kita jom